Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. It's your boy TMK Money. If you don't know me, guys, I am TMK Money. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money today, guys. This one is a guarantee way to make money online. If you never made money online, please watch this video until the end, just because after this video you'll be able to make money online. So but before getting to it, please make sure you smash that like button, and also make sure you subscribe. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell, guys, so that each and every time when I drop, you'll be the first one to get a video. So I don't want to waste your time, guys. I want to explain more about the website first, guys. So this website, guys, is opinion bureau. It's bureau, what, I don't know. Okay, so guys, here they pay you for your opinion, guys. They pay you for your opinion, guys. So okay, see, you're going to earn 50 rand just for signing up, guys. You're going to earn 50 rand just for signing up. This is a bonus, guys. So guys, I have an account on this one, guys. So I wanna show you how you can start registering and how you can start earning money on this one. So please make sure you watch. Please make sure you watch. So now we're gonna click sign up, guys. We're gonna click sign up. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link on my description. I'll leave the link on my description of this video. So if you wanna register, they would click the link on my description. So guys, so I wanna show you how to register. You will click next. I wanna show you guys step by step on this one, just because a lot of people, they do it wrong and they don't make money, and they become like they are mad at me. So I wanna show you guys step by step how to register on this kind of websites. I'm gonna put my email, then I'm gonna click next. You're gonna put your own email, guys. So please watch the video until the end, guys. Okay, language, I'm gonna choose English, my first. Okay, they need my name, not an image. I'm sorry for taking time, guys. So now we're good to go. Thank you for registering. Just easy as that, guys. Easy as that. So now, guys, now please keep this in mind. After registering, they're going to send the email. They're going to send you an email. They're going to send you an email. So show you manually. You need to cancel this one and go to your email. You need to verify your email, guys. You will go to your email. You will go to your email, and then as you see, here is the email. Here is the email. You need to verify the email, guys. You need to verify your email. You need to, as you can see, opinion bureau sign up confirmation. You need to confirm, and then you need to click this one. This is where you need to click. You click here, and then, so guys, in that way, guys, you will be done verifying your account, guys. Will be done verifying your account. So we're moving to step 3, where you need to complete your profile so that you will get service each and every time, guys. After that, guys, what you need to do, they will need you to complete your profile here. You will land here, and then they will need you to complete your profile. So by completing your profile, guys, as you can see, you are yet to complete first profile survey. Complete and enter rent in completion. Click here to send an email. As you can see, I have just sent the email. As you can see, survey has been sent to your registered email address. Kindly check your inbox. So your mailbox, I mean, not inbox. So I'm going to what I need to do is to come here and complete this survey, guys. Complete this profile of mine, so that they will offer me more surveys. How many pairs, if any, do you have? Please, guys, don't lie. None. Please, guys, don't lie, as I told you. Don't lie, don't lie. They shop online, yes. Do you have any of your family member have got healthy insurance covered? For me, please don't lie, guys. We're completing our profile right now. We're completing our profile. So just choose a lot of things to click here. So just choose what you feel like. So I'm not going to waste my time because I'm just showing you what you need to do, guys. So I won't read like wasting my time reading. Not my time, your time, guys. So daily, I don't have condition. Okay, international only. I'm still a student. Okay, go through 12, 40, 46, 12, 46, Pumalanga. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, now I'm having 60 rand. I've got that 10 rand so easily, guys. That's so easy, guys. So I've just completed my profile now. So now I'm going to step 2. You have not completed your profiles. So as you can see, update here. So what I need to do is just to come and update. Make sure, guys, you finish everything before taking any survey. Just because the more you complete this profile, the more they're going to send you more surveys. So please make sure, please. Let's complete this one. Okay, education. I'm gonna choose education. Professional qualification, master degree. Which year did you complete your highest level of education? Oh, come on. 2020. I was doing chemistry. Yes. Okay. They need more, guys. So guys, you're gonna answer everything here because I'm not going to like on this video. I don't want to make this video long. So this is what you need to do, guys. After that, we'll go to the next one, and after finishing, you can start completing some more surveys, guys. That's how you're going to make money, guys. That's easy as that. And also, guys, you can make money by referring. So guys, you can make money. You can even make money just by referring, guys. Just referring, guys. That's easy, guys. So what you need to do, you need to click here and then refer a friend. As you can see, it's easy. Just need to read this one. So wanna invite, you're gonna click here and you're gonna put the refer name, guys. You're gonna put your name here, and then you're gonna put the email that you used to register, and then you click send. They're going to send you an email with the code, with the refer code. So you need to share that code with your friends. That's easy, guys. Put your name here and put your email address, and then you're gonna click send, and they're going to send you a link that you're going to use to refer to your friends. That's basically what you need to do, guys. See you on the next video, guys. Love you all. That's how you need to that's what you need to do, guys. That's easy as that. Start making money on this website, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video, guys.